Hi, my name is Reza and welcome to another Resonate Yoga video. Today I'm going to show you my famous shake, Blueberry Crack. Let's get going. You need a little bit of water, 8 ounce, a little bit over. I keep my water in a copper container because I'm a yogi and that's what yogis do. Don't ask me why, that's a whole nother video. What else do you need? You actually need an old vintage blender. It won't work with your fancy Vitamix. Gotta have an old school vintage. 2 dates. Dates go in first. Why? It's called experience. Because it's gonna go wah, 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 wah. Now that it's calmed down, let's bring it down. Then you don't want to splash everything everywhere with our secret sauce in there. 2, what's this stuff? Looks like chia seed. Wow, so much of it. It's really not that much in here. Last night I put 2 teaspoons, this small, in that little container right there with a little bit of water, and you close the cap and you just shake it, you put it in the fridge, and the next morning looks like you got it. 4 scoops in here, but you don't. It's only 2 teaspoons of it in there. Then you put this little guy in here, give it a quick shake. Now here comes the secret sauce. What's this in here? Coffee. I don't normally drink coffee, but just in case I need a little bit of blueberry crack in the morning, then I'll take a well-grounded coffee. I think they're coming for me. And I pop this guy in here. Then I'll blend it again, just real quick. And now it's good to go. Blueberries next, pre-washed. A good handful of blueberries. Secret ingredient. 3. Pop that in there. Now you want to make sure you get it going for a little bit before you put the banana, because you want all this stuff to really get in there. If the banana is a little mushy, and then you might not get it blend that well. Ooh, looking good. 2 bananas. I would put 4, but you guys would freak out. So why would you freak out if I said 4 bananas? Because sometimes I make a 4 banana shake, 6 banana shakes. But if I say, oh my God, you eat that many bananas in one shake? Yes, I do, but that would be a whole nother video. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like blueberry crack. Oh my God. 1, 2, yes. Oh, what if we had 4 bananas? It would have been. Let's see what we got. Now that's what I call blueberry crack. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put some of my more secret shakes for you. Hit like, thumbs up, let me know what other videos you would want me to post. Oh my God, this is so good. Now I'm gonna just bounce around all day. Cheers.